anticipated trend?
My biggest anticipated trend for 2022 is going to be a gold rush in biotech into what I think will become the cover story on magazines throughout the year, that humans have discovered the fountain of youth. And this will arise from these investments in what are called Yamanaka factor-based cell reprogramming methods. I've talked about this on the pod in the past. A few years ago, scientists identified that 4 chemicals could trigger gene expression in cells and get those cells to effectively revert to being stem cells. And more recently demonstrated that using lower amounts of those chemicals and other what are called kind of epigenetic factors can trigger partial cell reprogramming, which causes cells in the body to act youthful. As a result of those discoveries, an absolute gold rush is now underway. More recently, Yuri Milner, Jeff Bezos, Arch, and others put $1 billion to seed a new company called Altos Labs to pursue therapeutics in this area. Google has individually funded a company called Calico, led by Art Levinson, the former founder and CEO of Genentech. And just recently, Blake Byers and Brian Armstrong announced their new company called New Limit with $100 million of their own personal capital. All of these companies are pursuing the same effort, which is basically causing cells to be youthful, to regenerate in a youthful way. And as a result, you see kind of organs and systems in the body act more healthily. And there will be magazine covers and 60 Minutes article stories and all sorts of stuff will start to happen in 2022 saying, oh my gosh, because the amount of money that's gone in this year is going to cause breakthroughs and discoveries to start to get published about next year. And when that starts to happen and the media and the PR cycles start to kick up, you'll see this become the year of Yamanaka factor-based reprogramming. And everyone's saying it's going to be the biggest gold rush in biotech since recombinant DNA was used by Genentech in the 80s and 90s.